Hello students, I am Mr. Farin. Today we have a special challenge for you. There are 6 students, but only one is the top achiever. You must solve 5 math questions to discover who it is. Each correct answer gives 2 clues. A wrong answer still gives 1 clue. Are you ready to begin?
Alright students, before you begin answering, I've prepared some quick tips to help you with the upcoming questions. Please pay close attention and listen carefully to this explanation.
Hello students. Today, I'll guide you through a quick checklist for solving algebra problems using BEMDAS. A simple rule to make sure we follow the correct order of operations. Step 1. Look at the brackets. Always simplify what's inside the parentheses first. For example, open bracket 3 plus 2, close bracket, times x. That becomes 5x. Step 2. Handle the exponents. This means any powers or roots must be calculated next. For example, x squared plus 2. You calculate x squared first before adding 2. Step 3. Do multiplication or division. Work from left to right. For example, 2x divided by 4. Simplify this before moving on to the next step. Step 4. Do addition and subtraction. Combine like terms carefully. For example, 3x plus 5x equals 8x. Finally, step 5. Simplify the expression. Always check if your answer can be reduced further. Remember, brackets, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. BEMDAS keeps you on track.
Here is your first question. Solve this algebra equation carefully.
Question 1.
When you see an X or Y, don't just guess, give it a try. Balance both sides, that's the key. Solve the puzzle, 1, 2, 3. Algebra, algebra, everyone can play. Step by step, you'll find a way. Move it left or move it right. Keep it balanced, keep it tight. Algebra, come and sing along. Fighting the unknown makes you strong. One equation, then some more. Learning math will open doors. Add or subtract, keep it fair. Do the same thing everywhere. Multiply, divide, don't delay. The answer gets closer every day. Teacher, if equal to 6. Take away 2x or that's it. Teacher, if 9, what do you do? Divide by 3, it's true. Algebra, algebra, everyone can play. Step by step, you'll find a way. Move it left or move it right. Keep it balanced, keep it tight. Algebra, clap your hands and cheer. The power of math is always near. Solve the problems, don't give up. Algebra will lift you up. When it's hard, don't walk away. Practice a little every day. Equations, puzzles, big or small. With algebra, you can solve them all. Algebra, algebra, shout it loud and strong. We've been learning all along. Step by step, we found the key. Math is fun for you and me. Put your if equal to 6. Take away 2x or that's it. Teacher, if 9, what do you do? Divide by 3, it's true. Algebra, algebra, shout it loud and strong. We've been learning all along. Step by step, we found the key. Math is fun for you and me. When you see an X or Y, don't just guess, give it a try. Balance both sides, that's the key. Solve the puzzle, 1, 2, 3. Algebra, algebra, everyone can play. Step by step, you'll find a way.
Attention, everyone. The time allocated for this question has ended. Please stop writing immediately and put your pens down. Thank you. Well done. Who's have a correct answer, you earn 2 clues. For who's have wrong answer, not quite, but here is 1 clue for your effort.
Kindly review your answers now before I proceed.
Step 1. Start with 6 times open bracket x plus 2y minus 10 times open bracket y plus 3x. Step 2. Expand the brackets. 6 times x equals 6x. 6 times 2y equals 12y minus 10 times e equals minus 10y minus 10 times 3x equals minus 30x. Step 3. Now write them all together. 6x plus 12y minus 10y minus 30x. Step 4. Group the like terms. 6x minus 30x plus 12y minus 10y. Step 5. Combine the like terms. 6x minus 30x equals negative 24x. 12y minus 10y equals 2y. So the simplified expression is negative 24x plus 2y.
Alright students, before you begin answering, I've prepared some quick tips to help you with the upcoming questions. Please pay close attention and listen carefully to this explanation.
Hello, students. Today, I'll show you a simple checklist for adding fractions correctly. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Look closely at the fractions you're adding. For example, a over b plus c over d. Check whether the denominators, that's the bottom numbers, are the same or different. Step 2. Check the denominators. If they are the same, you can skip ahead to step 4. If they are different, you'll need to find the lowest common denominator, or LCD. This helps both fractions share the same base. Step 3. Adjust the numerators if needed. Rewrite each fraction so both have the same denominator, the LCD. For example, a over b plus c over d becomes a times LCD over b, all over LCD, plus c times LCD over d, all over LCD. Now both fractions are ready to be added. Step 4. Add the numerators. Keep the denominator the same and add the top numbers together. For example, a over LCD plus c over LCD becomes a plus c over LCD. Finally, step 5. Simplify the result. If possible, reduce your fraction to the lowest terms by dividing top and bottom by the same number. If it's algebraic, factor and cancel where you can. Remember, same denominator, add the numerators, then simplify your answer.
Now, question 2. This one is about algebraic fractions. Additional operations.
Question 2.
Come, my friends, let's learn today. Fractions are fun in a simple way. If denominators are the same at the top, that's the game. Add the fractions, don't go wrong. Same denominators, it won't take long. If they differ, here's what you do. Find the LCM, it will help you through. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Find the denominator, what could it be? 6 is the answer, now make them right. 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, what a sight. Add the fractions, don't go wrong. Same denominators, it won't take long. If they differ, here's what you do. Find the LCM, it will help you through. When the answer comes to you, simplify it, that's what you should do. Fractions made easy, step by step. Maths is fun, the best subject yet. So let's sing and clap along, learning fractions with a joyful song. Adding fractions, now we're strong. Together we'll shine all day long. my friends, let's learn today. Fractions are fun in a simple way. If denominators are the same at the top, that's the game. Add the fractions, don't go wrong. Same denominators, it won't take long. If they differ, here's what you do. Find the LCM, it will help you through. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. Find the denominator, what could it be? 6 is the answer, now make them right. 3 over 6 plus 2 over 6, what a sight. Add the fractions, don't go wrong. Same denominators, it won't take long. If they differ, here's what you do. Find the LCM, it will help you through. When the answer comes to you.
Attention, everyone. The time allocated for this question has ended. Please stop writing immediately and put your pens down. Thank you. Excellent. 2 more clues for who's have a correct answer. Don't worry, if you have a wrong answer, here's 1 clue to keep you on track.
Kindly review your answers now before I proceed.
Let's simplify the expression. 2y plus 1 over 4 plus 4y minus 1 over 2y. To combine these 2 fractions, first we need a common denominator. The least common denominator of 4 and 2y is 4y. Now we rewrite both fractions with this common denominator. Multiply the first fraction by y, so it becomes 2y plus 1 times y over 4y, which simplifies to 2y squared plus y over 4y. Then multiply the second fraction by 2, so it becomes 4y minus 1 times 2 over 4y, which gives us 8y minus 2 over 4y. Now that both fractions have the same denominator, we can add them. 2y squared plus y plus 8y minus 2 over 4y. Combine like terms in the numerator, 2y squared plus 9y minus 2. So the final simplified expression is 2y squared plus 9y minus 2 over 4y.
Alright students, before you begin answering, I've prepared some quick tips to help you with the upcoming questions. Please pay close attention and listen carefully to this explanation.
Part 3. Subtracting fractions. Hello, students. Today, we'll go through a quick checklist for subtracting fractions step by step. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Identify the fractions you're subtracting. For example, a over b minus c over d. Look at the denominators. Are they the same or different? Step 2. Check the denominators. If they are the same, that's great. You can skip to step 4. If not, find the lowest common denominator or LCD, the smallest number both denominators can divide into evenly. Step 3. Adjust the numerators if needed. Rewrite both fractions so they share the same denominator. For example, a over b minus c over d becomes a times l, c d over b, all over LCD, minus c times LCD over d, all over LCD. Now they can be subtracted properly. Step 4. Subtract the numerators. Keep the denominator the same and just subtract the top numbers. For example, a over LCD minus c over LCD becomes a minus c over LCD. Finally, step 5. Simplify the result. Reduce the fraction if possible. For algebraic fractions, factor and cancel similar terms. Always present your answer in lowest terms. Remember, same denominator, subtract the numerators, then simplify your answer.
Let's move on to question 3. Simplify this fraction to its lowest terms.
Question 3.
When we subtract, we must be clear. Take away carefully, step by step here. If denominators look the same, just subtract the tops, that's the game. Subtract the fractions, take it
6 minus 1 over 6. 4 over 6, that's a fix. Simplify down to 2 over 3. Math made easy, you will see. Subtract the fractions, take it slow. Step by step and you will know. If the bottoms are not alike, find the common one, make it right. Minus 1 over 6. 4 over 6, that's the fix. Simplify down to 2 over 3. Math made easy, you will see. Subtract the fractions, take it slow. Step by step and you will know. If the bottoms are not alike, find the common one, make it right. Sometimes answers can be small, but don't be worried, it's not hard at all. Keep the rules and you'll succeed. Math gives you the tools you need. Learning fractions day by day. Subtracting may fun in a joyful way. With every lesson we grow strong. Singing together with this song. Five over 6 minus 1 over 6. 4 over 6, that's the fix. Simplify down to 2 over 3. Math made easy, you will see. Subtract the fractions, take it slow. Step by step, and you will know. If the bottoms are not alike, find the common one, make it right. Subtract the fractions, take it slow. Step by step, and you will know. When we subtract, we must be clear. Take away carefully, step by step here. If denominators look the same, just subtract the tops, that's the game. Subtract the fractions, take it slow. Step by step, and you will know.
Attention, everyone. The time allocated for this question has ended. Please stop writing immediately and put your pens down. Thank you. Impressive work. Who's correct? You've gained 2 clues. For whose have not the right answer. But here's one clue.
Kindly review your answers now before I proceed.
We want to simplify the expression 3 plus 3x over x squared plus 3x plus 2 minus 2 over x plus 1. First, we factorize where possible. In the first nominator, 3 plus 3x can be written as 3 times 1 plus x, and the denominator x squared plus 3x plus 2 can be written as open parenthesis, x plus 2 close parenthesis, open parenthesis x plus 1 close parenthesis. So the first fraction is 3 times 1 plus x over x plus 2 times x plus 1. And the second fraction is 2 over x plus 2 times x plus 1, x plus 1. Next, we make the denominators the same. For the second fraction, we multiply top and bottom by x plus 2. Now both fractions have the denominator x plus 1 times x plus 2. So we combine the numerators, then become 3 plus 3, x minus 2, x minus 4, and simplifies as x minus 1. Finally, the answer is x minus 1 over open parenthesis, x plus 1, close parenthesis. Open parenthesis, x plus 2, close parenthesis.
Alright students, before you begin answering, I've prepared some quick tips to help you with the upcoming questions. Please pay close attention and listen carefully to this explanation.
Part 4. Multiplying fractions. Hello students. Today, I'll guide you through a quick checklist for multiplying fractions. An easy and fast process if you follow the steps carefully. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Identify the fractions you're multiplying. For example, A over B times C over D. Remember, the top number is called the numerator, and the bottom is the denominator. Step 2. multiply straight across. Multiply the numerators together. That's A times C. Then multiply the denominators together. That's B times D. Step 3. Simplify before multiplying, if possible. Look for any common factors between a numerator and a denominator, even if they're from different fractions. Cancel them first. It makes the multiplication easier and avoids large numbers. Step 4. Simplify the result. After multiplying, reduce your answer to the lowest terms. If you're working with algebraic fractions, factor and cancel any common terms. Finally, step 5. Check your answer. Make sure your fraction is fully simplified and neat. Remember, multiply across, simplify before and after, and always write your answer in the simplest form.
Now, question 4. Simplify the following expression to the lowest term / a single algebraic fraction.
Question 4.
When we multiply, it's easy to see. Top times top, that's the key. Bottom times bottom, straight in line. You'll get the answer every time. Multiply the fractions, nice and neat. Numerator, numerator, that's the beat. Denominator, denominator, 2. Simplify it and you are through. 1 over 2, 3 over 4, that is 3 over 8, no more. Keep it simple, make it small. Reduce the fraction, that's the call. Cross cancel first, make it line. It saves your time and keeps it right. Step by step, the rule is clear. Multiplying fractions, have no fear. Multiply the fractions, nice and neat. Numerator, numerator, that's the beat. Denominator, denominator, 2. Simplify it and you are through. Now you know the fraction way. Multiplying brightens up your day. Math is fun, come sing along. Smart and happy, strong and strong. Multiply the fractions, nice and neat. Numerator, numerator, that's the beat. Denominator, denominator, 2. Simplify it and you are through. Multiply the fractions, nice and neat. Numerator, numerator, that's the beat. Denominator, denominator, 2. Simplify it and you are through. One over 2, 3 over 4, that is 3 over 8, no more. Keep it simple, make it small. Reduce the fraction, that's the call. Cross cancel first, make it light. It saves you time and keeps it right. Step by step, the rule is clear. Multiplying fractions, have no fear. Now you know the fraction way. Multiplying brightens up your day. Math is fun, come sing along. Smart and happy, strong and strong. Now you know the fraction way. Multiplying brightens up your day. Math is fun, come sing along.
Attention, everyone. The time allocated for this question has ended. Please stop writing immediately and put your pens down. Thank you. Yes. That's right. Who's have corrected answer, you deserve 2 more clues. For who's close but not correct. Here's 1 clue.
Kindly review your answers now before I proceed.
We want to simplify the expression x plus 1 over 12x minus 6. times with 6x over 2x plus 2. First, we factorize where possible. In the first denominator, 12x minus 6 can be written as 6 times 2x minus 1. In the second denominator, 2x plus 2 can be written as 2 times x plus 1. Next, we look for common factors. Cancel out the common term, x plus 1, and 6 from the top and the bottom. We are left with only x on top and 2x minus 1, on the bottom. So, the simplified answer is x over 2 times 2x minus 1.
Alright students, before you begin answering, I've prepared some quick tips to help you with the upcoming questions. Please pay close attention and listen carefully to this explanation.
Part 5. Dividing Fractions. Hello students. Today, I'll guide you through a quick checklist for dividing fractions using a simple rule called KCF. Keep, change, flip. Step 1. Read the problem carefully. Look at the fractions you're dividing. For example, A over B divided by C over D. Check if there are any brackets or negative signs. That helps prevent mistakes later. Step 2. Apply KCF. Keep, change, flip. Keep the first fraction the same. A over B. Change the division sign to multiplication. Then flip the second fraction. That means D over C. Step 3. Keep any parentheses in algebraic expressions. If there's a term in brackets, make sure you keep it when flipping the second fraction. That keeps everything clear and avoids mixing terms. Step 4. Simplify before multiplying. Look for any common factors between the numerators and denominators and cancel them out before multiplying. It makes your work easier and your numbers smaller. Step 5. Multiply across. Multiply the numerators together, a times D. Then multiply the denominators together, B times C. That gives you your final fraction. Finally, step 6. Simplify again. Always check if the result can be reduced to lowest terms. Remember, keep, change, flip. And always simplify your answer at the end.
Final question. Solve this carefully. It's your last chance for clues.
Question 5.
When in the Bible, don't be afraid. There's a simple rule that's always made. Keep the first, change and multiply. Flip the second, give it a try. Divide the fractions, follow the rule. Keep, change, flip, it's really cool. Step by step, you'll get it right. Math with fractions is out of sight. 2 over 3, write a 1 over 4. Keep 2 over 3, then change the score. Multiply by 4 over 1. 8 over 3, the job is done. 2 over 3, write a 1 over 4. Keep 2 over 3, then change the score. Multiply by 4 over 1. 8 over 3, the job is done. Always remember, don't be stressed. Simplify answers to make them best. Fractions, division, clear and quick. Math is fun, it's a simple trick. Divide the fractions, follow the rule. Keep, change, flip, it's really cool. Step by step, you'll get it right. Math with fractions is out of sight. Divide the fractions, follow the rule. Keep, change, flip, it's really cool. Step by step, you'll get it right. Math with fractions is out of sight. Divide the fractions. 2 over 3, write a 1 over 4. Keep 2 over 3, it's really cool. Step by step, you'll get it right. Math with fractions is out of sight. 2 over 3, write a 1 over 4. Keep 2 over 3, then change the score. Multiply by 4 over 1. 8 over 3, the job is done. 2 over 3, write a 1 over 4. Keep 2 over 3, then change the score. Multiply by 4 over 1. 8 over 3, the job is done. Always remember, don't be stressed. Simplify answers to make them best. Fractions, division, clear and quick. Math is fun, it's a simple trick. Divide the fractions. 2 over the rule. Keep, change, flip, it's really cool. Step by step, you'll get it right.
Attention, everyone. The time allocated for this question has ended. Please stop writing immediately and put your pens down. Thank you. Fantastic. 2 final clues for you. For those who didn't get it right, that's okay. Here's one last clue.
Kindly review your answers now before I proceed.
We want to simplify the fraction b plus 2 divided by 3 divided by b squared plus 2b. Step 1. Change the division into multiplication by the reciprocal. Step 2. Factorize the denominator. B squared plus 2b can be written as b times b plus 2. Step 3. Cancel out the common term, which is b plus 2, from the top and the bottom. Step 4. Multiply what is left. We get 1 over 3b. So the final simplified answer is 1 over 3b.
Great job, everyone. All questions are done. Now tell me, have you collected all the clues for your answers? All right, everyone. Have you all received the matching form for the outstanding student activity? Are you ready to start matching and decide who the outstanding student is? If you are ready, let us go through the explanation on how to make your selection of the outstanding student, based on the clues you have received.
Good morning, everyone. Now that you have all 10 clues and the character cards in front of you, I'll explain step by step how to match clues to the students and arrive at your final selection. First, read every clue slowly and carefully. Do not assign any clue immediately, just understand what each clue says. Next, study each student card and image. Look closely at clothing, props, background, and any visible trophies, laptops, sketchbooks, or sports gear. These visual details are your evidence. For each clue, ask yourself, which student or students could this clue realistically describe? On your matching form, tick every student who fits that clue. It is okay, and expected, that a single clue may match more than one student. If you're unsure, tick and write one short note about why you think the clue fits. Work through all 10 clues this way. Don't try to force a one-to-one mapping yet. Allow overlap. The goal is to collect evidence first, then decide. When all clues are marked, count the ticks for each student. This gives you a raw score for how many clues point to each candidate. Now apply a quick quality check. Not every clue is equally decisive. Look for distinctive visual clues. For example, trophies on a shelf, a clearly visible laptop, or sports equipment. Treat those as stronger evidence. If 2 students have the same number of ticks, the one with more distinctive matches should have the advantage. If there is still a tie, compare the top 3 clues for each tied student. Ask, which student matches those 3 clues more precisely? Use that comparison as your tiebreaker. Final step, write down your selection, the student you believe is the outstanding student, and list the top 3 clues that support your choice. This short justification is important. It shows your reasoning and helps in classroom discussion. If you are working in a group, present your reasoning clearly and listen to other groups. If the class disagrees, we will discuss the strongest evidence together and decide by consensus or a quick vote. That's it. Take your time, use the visual evidence, allow for overlap, then narrow by distinctive clues. Ready? Begin your matching now. And remember to note the top 3 clues that convinced you.
Now, are you all ready to see the 6 outstanding student candidates? And are you prepared to begin matching the clues to each one of them?
If you are ready, let us begin. Make your choices wisely. Observe carefully and be sure to select the correct student. Remember, each clue may apply to more than one character.
Always ready, leading every way, focused in his studies, present every day. He helps his friends in group work, never leaves behind. Clues are pointing stronger, keep them in your mind. Listen to the clues, can you see the sign? Match them to the students, one by one in line. Everyone is special, but who will it be? The outstanding students, still a mystery. loves the field, sporty and so fast, full of energy, his laughter always lasts. But when it comes to study, he's not always first. Could he be the one, or is someone else first? Focus writes with passion, her ideas take flight, full of energy, his laughter always lasts. But when it comes to study, he's not always first. Could he be the one, or is someone else first? Focus writes with passion, her ideas take flight, creative in projects, her mind shining bright. Yet she's not the leader when the work is tough. Maybe not the answer, the clues aren't enough. Listen to the clues, can you see the sign? Match them to the students, one by one in line. Everyone is special, but who will it be? The outstanding students, still a mystery. Ray N is focused, numbers in her hand, always calm and steady, her work is really grand. But she loves the quiet, doesn't often lead, still the clues keep pointing, where do they lead? Aim with tradition, care by and that she wears, polite and kind-hearted, always shows she cares. She shines in culture, in art she's strong, but maybe the clues say someone else all along. AJ is helpful, always with the team, supports his classmates, builds up the dream. Full of good spirit, in every class he's near, but is he the one? The clues aren't clear. 6 strong students, all doing great, each has talents to celebrate, but one stands out, consistent and true. Listen carefully, the answers in view. Listen to the clues, can you see the sign? Match them to the students, one by one in line. Everyone is special, but who will it be? The outstanding students, still a mystery.
Well done, everyone. You've carefully matched the clues to the students. Now, who do you think is the outstanding student? Have you made your final choice? Let's look at all 6 students once more. Take a moment to check your matches.
Sunshine bright.
Remember the clues about leadership, group work, and consistent performance. The outstanding student is Badrul. Every one of you has unique strengths. Remember, success is not only about results, but also about teamwork, discipline, and persistence.